I'm going to cut across to some news coming in. The BJP, as it sweeps Haryana, Congress still remaining defiant. Hooda says Congress will get a majority. Congress will score the last goal. That the poll data is not updated. This is constant claims coming in from the Congress party. Bhupendra Hooda saying yet again that the Congress will score the last goal. Data is not being updated real time. It's really slow. This is the allegation that the Congress has leveled against the Election Commission. In fact, a letter was sent out by Jairam Ramesh as well to the Election Commission claiming that data is being uploaded real slow. It's not real time. And this gives a lot for the negative elements to spin their narrative. If I could read out exactly what the Congress says, which it still sticks by. The Congress Bhupendra Hooda clearly saying that the Congress will get majority. He still says that the party will score their last goal, that the poll data is not updated. A letter that was shot off to the Election Commission, clearly the Congress there casting aspersions on the Election Commission counting process, saying, as you can imagine, this allows bad faith actors to spin their narrative and undermine the process. Examples of it already playing out on social media. Our fear is also that such narratives can be used by these malified actors to influence the process where counting is still underway. Now I'm going to cut across. While the Congress's media cell chief, Jairam Ramesh, shoots this letter to the Election Commission, Bhupendra Hooda sticking by his stand that the Congress will win a majority.
बहुत सारी सीटें हैं जो हम जीत चुके हैं और अपडेट नहीं की, जैसे चक्का साहब है, शैली है, रामकरण है, अशोक अरोड़ा है। ऐसे कई सीटें हैं जो हमारे खबर मिली हैं। जैसे आदमपुर में भी हम लीड कर रहे हैं, जज्जर में भी लीड कर रहे हैं। बहुत सारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूंसी हैं, जैसे रोहतक में हम जीतने जा रहे हैं। तो ये अपडेट नहीं हो रहा है डाटा इलेक्शन कमीशन में, और कई जगह काउंटिंग की गई है। तो मेरा एक तो सभी जो काउंटिंग एजेंट हमसे साथियों से निवेदन है कि आप डटे रहो, मेजोरिटी आ रही है।
All right, date raho, hang in there, stay strong. We're going to come back with a majority. We will bounce back. Our data is yet to be uploaded. We will come with a majority. We will win Haryana. This is Bhupendra Hooda, the jart face there, which the Congress banked heavily on, seems to be almost holding on to faith and hope that the Congress will manage to win this election. But for the numbers that we have right on our screens here, as of 3:42 p.m., precisely the time, we see BJP at 49, the Congress at 36. The Congress still needs to cobble up nearly 9 seats to even come to a match with the BJP. Will this be possible? Well, we have Kamaljeet Sandhu also joining us for more on that. Kamaljeet, how many more rounds of counting is left? Would you be able to clarify if the Congress even remotely has a chance? We're looking at Bhupendra Hooda really holding on to hope and speaking positively, asking for his supporters and voters to hang in there.
Well, many would say this sounds like a sore loser. Many would say that he's clutching onto the straws. But we are right behind Naib Singh Saini, the Chief Minister, and he seems rather very confident. There was a victory march, and he's been going towards the counting center to collect his certificate, the winning certificate. But what is significant is how this match was seen between Congress as well as the BJP. But many would have sided with the Congress, saying there's 10 years of anti-incumbency, a change of guard, a change of face, the caste equations. But remember, at this point of time, where things were weighing heavily against BJP, Naib Singh Saini has managed to change the tide. And that is why he is not just the star of this election, but in many senses a superstar. Because yes, he's managed to convert adversity into opportunity. Many would say that Manohar Lal Khattar was pushed out towards the center. He was given power ministry, but most of the mantle was handled by Naib Singh Saini. That was his posters. Even in terms of taking accountability, he kept saying that, it's my face, so I would be holding it accountable and I would be in charge, whether it's the victory or, for that matter, if it's a defeat. But clearly what seemed like a uphill task didn't seem so much as far as the voters is concerned. It does seem that even if Congress was raising issue, one of them pertinent was about the Agniveer. It was also about unemployment.
Right. You know, Kamaljeet, we will continue tracking these developments. Of course, the Congress seems very confident that the data is slowed down. It's going to be updated and the results will turn around in their favor. There's a long way to go in that case. If that's what they claim, then you have nearly, they're at 36. The BJP is at 49. Will they come to a match at all? We're going to wait and watch.